Proteins are the building blocks for muscle construction, and an excellent way to consume them is in the form of a morning shake. In today's video, we will discuss how this habit influences your workouts and recovery. Welcome to the Healthy Fit Guide. Today, we will talk about the benefits of protein drinks and why you should add them to your dietary routine. Muscle growth. Muscle growth directly depends on proteins. It is from protein sources that we obtain the amino acids responsible for muscle reconstruction after intense workouts. Even if your strength training sessions are not extremely intense, it is recommended to take protein shakes to ensure you meet your daily nutrient requirements and develop your muscles with higher quality. Helps in weight loss. Shakes can replace a meal or help reduce food intake due to their high satiety content per serving. Taking a shake in the mornings is not only convenient but can also be a healthy and lower calorie way to have breakfast without having to combine multiple fruits and fibers. Highly convenient. Protein shakes are unbeatable when it comes to convenience. You only need a container to store the protein powder, a glass or shaker for the shake, and water. Forget about carrying meals in your bag, eating cold food, or worrying about spoiled food. Shakes can be incorporated into your daily diet, even during your travels. This is great because both the muscle building and weight loss processes heavily rely on an individual's discipline and ability to follow a meal plan. Supplementation of vitamins and other nutrients. Many protein shakes available in the market are enriched with vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial nutrients. These additional nutrients can provide valuable supplementation for your daily nutrient intake. For example, some protein powders contain calcium, which is essential for bone health, or added fiber to support digestion. These often overlooked vitamins and nutrients are vital for overall body function and directly impact your training and nutrition routine. Increased muscle protein synthesis. Protein shakes, especially those containing high-quality protein sources like whey or casein, can stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Muscle protein synthesis is the process by which the body builds new muscle tissue, resulting in muscle growth and enhanced strength. When you consume a protein shake in the morning, you provide your body with a concentrated dose of amino acids that are quickly absorbed and utilized by the muscles, promoting muscle protein synthesis and supporting the development of lean muscle mass. Vegan options. One fantastic aspect of protein shakes is their versatility and customizability. Protein powders come in various flavors and types, such as whey, soy, pea, or hemp protein. This variety allows you to choose the protein source that best fits your preferences or dietary restrictions. Additionally, you can customize your protein shake by adding fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, or other ingredients to enhance the taste and nutritional profile. This customization option ensures that you can create not only a delicious but also a protein shake tailored to your specific nutrient needs and preferences. Protein powders can be added not only to water or milk but can be used in various recipes. There are many flavors on the market like chocolate and vanilla that work well in desserts. They are great options for making something tasty and healthy. Always consult a nutritionist before taking supplements. Each case is different, and it is important to have the right guidance regarding dosages and which type to buy. And for now, we wrap things up. I hope you enjoyed this content, and if it helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications. Until next time.